today I'm going to show you how to make this easy chocolate orange mousse. There's no eggs in it, it's just creamy and bursting with orange flavor. And there's always I've written a blog post which I'll leave down below, which you can click through to get the full recipe and some adaptations too, so click through for that. And be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too, let me know if you give this chocolate mousse a try and what you think of it. So the three ingredients you'll need for the chocolate mousse are chocolate. I have chopped up 125 grams or 4.4 ounces of chocolate. Just use any chocolate you want. You can use dark milk. I've just used a mix of a few different dark blocks that I have in the pantry, so that is what I've used. We are going to use the peel of an orange to infuse lovely orange flavor into the mousse. And we're going to use a cup of cream. You can use any cream you want. It's whipping cream I have here, but we're not going to whip it. We're actually going to heat it. So let me show you how to make it. Start by chopping all of the chocolate and popping it into a bowl. So when the cream is heated, we are ready to go. So there's 125 grams or 4.4 ounces of chocolate here, and we'll set it aside now and see to our cream. So get out a saucepan and into that measure and pour out a whole cup of cream. And now for the orange flavor. With the orange, grab a vegetable peeler and just peel the peel without getting too much of the white pith. And just peel that lovely peel. And we're going to just get all of the orange peel out, pop it into the milk, and then it's going to infuse with lovely flavor without actually using the orange. And the orange you can just chop up and just enjoy it as it is. But just kind of get as much of the orange peel off as you can. So I'm just getting the last of all the peel off and into the cream. So now we've got all that lovely orange flavor infused. We're going to pop it onto the stove top over medium heat and just get that cream to bubble up, and it gets all of the lovely flavor of the orange infused into the cream. So I've got the cream on the stove top. Just keep giving it a stir. Try and get all that orange peel submerged in the cream so that all that flavor imparts. It's only been a couple of minutes. Just keep stirring it, and it's steaming, and any second now it'll come up to bubble, and as soon as it does, just take it off the heat. And there you go, it's reached a gentle simmering bubbling point. We'll take it off the heat now. There you go, I've got it off the heat now. Hey, that orange flavor has been infused, so we're actually going to discard all the orange. It's up to you how you want to do it. You can just take it all out just like that and just pop it into the bin. I'm happy that I've removed most of the rind. There's a little bit there, but what I'll do now is grab the bowl with the chocolate and just pour the cream in. I kind of hold a spoon there to just catch any other little bits that come out. You could also just pour it through a sieve if you want. You'll just get all of the nice heated orange infused cream poured over the chocolate. Just let it sit for a good 30 seconds to a minute. Let the chocolate start melting by itself, and then we'll help it along and get it all nice and melted. Okay, let the melting started on, and just mix all of the chocolate in. Until you have a beautiful chocolatey creamy mixture. Now you could of course also add in stevia, sugar, maple syrup, honey, any sweetness you like if you want to sweeten it. I quite like the dark chocolate and the sweetness that it comes with, so I'm leaving it at that, but it's up to you if you want it sweeter, or if you want a more intense orange flavor, you could always add also a bit of orange extract too. There you go, I've got a beautiful smooth pool of chocolate, and now just allow it to cool slightly before pouring it out into serving bowls. So I'm going to pour the chocolate mousse out into ramekins to individual sizes. I'm only going to go about that much per ramekin because it's pretty rich, and that is kind of the perfect portion size. So now just let it cool completely, and then we'll pop it into the fridge to thicken up, and I'll show you once they're ready. So there you go, my lovely chocolate orange mousse has been in the fridge for a few hours and it's hardened up and thickened to a lovely creamy mousse. And if we pop a spoon in, you can see, oh, it's lovely and thick, and it just hardens up like magic in the fridge and becomes a lovely chocolate mousse that's just bursting with orange flavor. But that is the video for today for how to make this easy chocolate orange mousse. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too, let me know if you give this chocolate mousse a try and what you think of it. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.